Okay, so got all the home switches installed. I don't know if you can see that one there real well. That's a micro switch, and it's making up on that spacer that I mounted on here on the lever arm right there. Then I took the limit switch here and had a metal arm, and I bent it at a 45-degree angle so that I had a flag on it so that it can catch on the back side of the y-axis as it moves back. So that's my Z axis, and that's my Y home, and then this is my Z home. And see if I can get a better shot at that. Really, the light's not in perfect condition for that. And I'll drive all of the axes off home, and then I'll tell it to home. I'll tell it to home all. I'll reference all home, and Z moves first. So I have it set for on Z to move 0.2 off of 0, and then X and Y is 0.1 off of 0. And let me go up here to machine, and you can see that's exactly what they did.